In the last few months, we have been working on creating the most delicious barbecue rubs in secret. Top secret, well, hidden in plain sight. You might have noticed that we tweaked our barbecue rubs on the website, and you may have now and then seen one of these little shakers pop up in the videos. And of course, if you follow us on Instagram or TikTok, you might have seen a story pop up where we hint about creating something new. And now we're getting close, because this December we will be launching our own seasoning brand. We're not done yet. We still need, of course, design labels and beautiful things, but in December we will be launching and we will be delivering to stores, so you can still have the Pitmaster X seasoning this Christmas. Now you might wonder, why do we need another seasoning brand? We thought the same way, and we thought that if we just give you the recipe and put it on a website, you can make your own seasoning with our recipe. But then we discovered that some of you prefer a store-bought seasoning over a homemade version. And since we wanted you to try our recipes with our flavor profiles, we decided it is time that we created our own barbecue seasoning. We've been monitoring which barbecue flavors you love the most, and the verdict was very clear. That's why we have 8 flavor profiles that we're going to put out on the market. It's going to be beef, chicken, pork, and the classic, which is going to be the base for any type of cooking. And to that we're adding Texas barbecue rub, the gyros rub, the Tweety barbecue rub, and the deli rub. And with those 8 flavors, you will be able to create most of the Pitmaster X barbecue recipes. But there's more going on with these barbecue rubs and why you need to buy these. The reason is that this rub and this one and all of them, you can put these on anything for marinating, brining, and seasoning. And as a matter of fact, we're gonna put the recipes on the label, so it's gonna be super easy for you. And this is something that no other brand of seasoning has. Now I know what you want. You want the link, you want to click it, you want to buy it, but there's a little catch. We're not there yet. They're not in the stores. As we speak, our production facility is hard at work creating these recipes, putting them together and boxing them so that they're ready for shipping this December. Now, of course, you might have a favorite barbecue store and it might not carry it. So what I recommend that you do, and which will help us a lot, if you send them an email and say, hey, did you know Pitmaster X is launching a new barbecue seasoning brand? Check it out, because I want to buy that seasoning at your store. And that will help us tremendously, because it will enable us to get our barbecue seasoning in your favorite barbecue store so you can buy it. There it is.
Well, not yet.
It's so sad that it's not there yet. We've been working so hard. I can't wait for you to get your hands on this. Oh, and of course, for everybody that's watching, and let's just say for like a crazy idea, if it's not going to be your favorite barbecue store, the recipe will always stay on the Pitmaster X website. So you will always be able to recreate our recipes.